Here we have this 71 plate BMW 320d M Sport. Comes with a mineral grey exterior paintwork. We've got the LED headlights with the kidney grills in the centre in black. We've got the black splitter at the bottom, front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera with an in-car visual display. Comes with £4,500 worth of factory extras, all of which are listed on our website. One to mention is the M Sport Pro package. We've got the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all unmarked there, with the M Sport design blue caliper behind and the M Sport suspension. Privacy glass at the rear for the passengers with a black trim around the outside. Colour-coded door handles and mirrors with the colour-coded shark fin antenna up top. We've also got the colour-coded spoiler on the tailgate at the top just there. Making our way to the back, we've got the dual exit exhaust integrated into the diffuser at the bottom with the parking sensors running across the centre of the bumper. Now this car does come free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So as we take a look at the rear interior, you can see we've got this lovely maroon red leather. We've also got the ISOFIX points with the centre armrest and the climate control for the passengers. We've also got the electric windows and door handle just there. Onto the front, we've got the same styling front seats with the maroon red leather, both of which are heated. We've also got the electric windows with the electric mirrors and the child lock for the rear. We've got the automatic lights with the automatic wipers and the multifunctional steering wheel. Taking a seat inside, turning this vehicle on, my foot is on the brake and we'll just press the start button there. And as you can see on the dashboard, we're free from any warning lights. Onto the steering wheel, we've got the cruise control and speed limiter with the paddle shift behind, and we've also got the function button and the volume with the paddle shift behind. This car also comes with the heads-up display. It is flickering in the distance just there, but it will not happen in real life. And if you just press the three lines on the steering wheel, it comes up with the menu button as well there. Onto the main screen, you can see that we've got the satellite navigation system there. If we just click on the apps, this car does come with the Android Auto and the Apple CarPlay. Going back to the home screen, I'll show you the nav screen just there. That's a nice display. It is also flickering, but that is just for the purpose of this video. It does not happen in real life. We've got the DAB radio with the Bluetooth media. As we make our way down, we've got the dual climate control with the heated seats on both sides. We've also got the heated rear window and the air conditioning just there. We've got the CD player. Automatic gearbox with the different drive mode selects and the auto hold. So if you just press this button here, comes up on screen all the different drive modes in which this car can be driven. We've also got the dial here with the manual functions for the screen also. So if you just press home, pops up, and then this dial goes through all of the different displays on the side. Now that's all I'm going to show you guys today. For more information on this vehicle, you can head to the website or give our sales team a call. This car comes with a fresh MOT and a fresh service and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 320d M Sport. Now the purpose of this test drive is to show you that this vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. You can see I'm not having to fight with the steering wheel. We're not veering off to the left or veering off to the right. We're staying pretty true to the road. Throughout this video test drive, you'll be able to hear that we are free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now as I accelerate down the road, we're going through the gears pretty seamlessly. There's no jerking motion between each gear. The transition is nice and seamless. Multifunctional steering wheel, we've got the cruise control and the speed limiter on the left hand side with the paddle shift, and we've also got the volume with the heads up display menu button on the right hand side with the paddle shift. We've also got the heads up display. As you look forward towards the bonnet, you'll be able to see your speed, and if you press the menu button, you'll be able to see it says media or radio or news. Now if you want to go through the gears manually, you can use the paddle shifts on either side to go up or down, or if you just prefer driving this car full automatic, then you don't have to do that. We've got the satellite navigation in the center with all the other functions which you will have seen on the website. Now as I take a right hand turn here into the industrial estate, I'm going to perform an emergency stop, but first I'm just going to let the cars past. We've also got the automatic gearbox with the different drive modes, and we've also got the ice cold air conditioning with heated seats, also with the heated rear window. Now I'm going to perform this in 3, 2 and 1. Straight into reverse. As you can see, we've got the rear reversing camera with the sensors on display just there. Back into drive perfectly and driving away. If you've got any other queries or questions about this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact the sales team here at RS Car Sales. But that's all from me today. Cheers.